I love it out here. It takes your breath away. It's a place to escape together. Clean air, the land, these trees, the birds. This is where we make our memories. Imagine if there was something that kept all this safe for their future. Imagine if we had laws to protect our wildlife so it's there for our children and for their children. Imagine if there was a way we could make sure our country is always this beautiful.
Well, there already is a way. Being in Europe has helped us clean up our beaches and protect our landscape. Nature doesn't know any borders. Our wildlife, forests and coastlines are protected. Air and water are cleaner. Because together in Europe, we set the highest environmental standards. None of this is guaranteed if we leave. Let's not risk losing what we love.
Please, on the 23rd of June, vote Remain for nature.